Hello students, today I am going to teach about new chapter is excretory products and their elimination. So here first of all, what is excretion? Excretion means to removal of nitrogenous waste products. Nitrogenous waste products and also excess amount of water, then excess vitamins and also drugs. Okay, so these elimination of these products is called excretion. So elimination of or removal of nitrogenous waste products and also excess amount of water and vitamins and excess of drugs. So elimination from the body, so is called excretion. So mainly excretion means to removal of nitrogenous waste products from the body. So because here the nitrogenous waste products, they are very dangerous to our body, they are toxic substance, so they need to remove from the body, so that is called excretion. Next, so these nitrogenous waste products, where they are formed, when they are formed in our body, so during oxidation of proteins, during energy production process, protein metabolism or oxidation of proteins, and also proteins or amino acids. Okay, next nucleic acids. So during this process, the ammonia or nitrogenous waste products are released in our body. So oxidation of proteins, okay, or protein metabolism, or amino acid metabolism, okay, or nucleic acids. Nucleic acid is of oxidation of nucleic acids. During this process, the nitrogenous waste product is released into the body. So generally here, for example, okay, so for example, this is the one amino acid, okay. So here, so in this amino acid process, so this is the amino group. So amino group is separated from this group. So this process is called de-amination process. So during the de-amination process, the the nitrogenous waste product is separated from this amino acid. So remaining this compound is transferred into the carbohydrate, and then after that it produces energy. So during this process, during this de-amination process, the nitrogenous waste products are released in our body. Generally, the nitrogenous waste products are three types: ammonia, urea, uric acid. So in all living organisms, three types of nitrogenous waste products are produced. They are ammonia, urea, uric acid. Okay, mode of excretions. So based on the nitrogenous waste product, okay, the excretion can be divided into three types. So that is, first one, Ammonotalism, second one, Ureotelism, third one, Eureotylism. So based on the nitrogenous waste product. So these are three types. So first of all, we will discuss about Ammonotalism. So Ammonotalism means the nitrogenous waste product. The nitrogenous waste product is released in the form of ammonia. That is NH3. Okay, so the nitrogenous waste product released in the form of ammonia. So that process is called Ammonotalism. So here ammonia is a highly toxic substance. It is highly toxic. Okay, next, it is highly soluble in water. It is easily soluble in water, so that's why it need lot of water to excretion process. Okay, ammonia is a highly toxic substance compared to others. It is highly toxic substance. Next, it is highly easily soluble in water. Next, it needs lot of water to excretion. So that's why aquatic organisms, okay, aquatic organism, they excrete ammonia. So they have the lot of water, they are living in the water, so they have the lot of water, so that's why they directly release the water ammonia into the water. So examples, aquatic invertebrates. Aquatic invertebrates excrete ammonia, and also cartilaginous fishes. Not cartilaginous fishes. Bony fishes. These are excrete the ammonia. So that's why these organisms are called ammonotelic organisms. Ammonotelic organisms, which means they excrete their nitrogenous waste product in the form of ammonia. Okay, so this is about ammonotalism. Okay, so this process is called ammonotalism. Which organisms, which nitrogenous waste product is released into the outside. So based on that, the mode of excretion divides into these three types: ammonotalism, ureotelism, eureotelism. Ammonotalism means they release the ammonia. So these organisms are called ammonotelic organisms. Next, second one is Ureotelism. Second one is Ureotelism. So here the nitrogenous waste product is released in the form of urea. So that's why these organisms are called, that's why this process is called Ureotelism. Here invertebrates, so the urea formed in liver. Okay, so in the liver, what will happen? The nitrogenous, the ammonia. So first of all, the nitrogen waste product is formed, the ammonia is formed. That ammonia reacted with carbon dioxide to form urea, NH2CO, NH2. So urea is formed in the liver. So in some vertebrates, so the urea is formed in the liver. But kidneys are excretory organs, which means kidney, they are filter the blood only. Kidney filter the blood and separates the urea from the blood, then sent to the outside. So kidney are not produce the urea. Actually urea is produced by liver. So urea is produced in the liver. The ammonia reacted with water to produce urea. Okay, in ureotelism. So here this urea is the urea is less toxic than ammonia. It is less toxic than ammonia. It's nearly 1 lakh times is less toxic. 1 lakh times less toxic. It need less of water. Okay, so this is next, these organisms, which organism they excrete urea, that organisms are called ureotelic organisms. Examples, cartilaginous fishes, amphibians, and mammals. And mammals are all Eureotelic organisms. These are Eureotelic organisms. These organisms are called Eureotelic organisms because they excrete urea. Okay. Next, some organisms they shows the dual mode of excretion. Some organism shows the dual mode of excretion. Some organisms like, for example, earthworm. In the earthworm, if plenty of water is present, it excrete ammonia. Okay, if lot of water is available, it excrete ammonia. If less water is present, it excrete urea. Okay, next, lungfishes. So when they are active, they excrete ammonia. When they are during hibernation process, they excrete urea. So during hibernation process, the body activities all are minimized. So in that process, they excrete urea. Next, in amphibians, for example, frogs. In frog, larvae excrete ammonia. Next, adult excrete urea. So that's why some organism shows the dual mode of excretion. Okay, earthworm, lungfishes and frogs. According to the water availability, they change their excretory products also. So this is about Ammonotalism and Ureotylism. Okay, next, Ureotylism, which means the nitrogenous waste is released in the form of uric acid. The nitrogenous waste product is released in the form of uric acid. So here also the ammonia is converted into uric acid. So here uric acid is very, very less toxic than urea also. It is very less toxic substance. Next, it is insoluble in water. So it excrete in the form of semi-solid pellets. Okay, it excrete in the form of semi-solid pellets. So this is about uric acid. Next, arthropods and land snails and reptiles and birds. These are excretes the uric acid. So that's why these organisms are called Eureotelic organisms. So this is about Ureotylism. So according to the nitrogenous waste products, the organisms can be divided into 3 types: Ammonotelic organisms, Ureotelic organisms and Ureotelic organisms.